Looking for a free and easy way to turn your text into realistic voiceovers? Here's how you can do it using Microsoft Clipchamp, completely free. First, open your browser and search for Clipchamp. Click on the first link that appears. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the options to log in or sign up. You can quickly sign up using your Google account. No payment required. To keep this video short, I'll skip the login process and jump straight to the dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on a screen with two main options: create a new video and create a new video with AI. Click on the first option, create a new video. On the next page, click on Record and Create, located in the sidebar. From the drop-down, scroll to the bottom and select Text-to-Speech. Now, here's where the magic happens. A dialog box will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll paste your script or type directly into the box. Clipchamp gives you access to a variety of voice models: male, female, different tones, and even accents. You can preview each one before deciding. For this video, I've selected a voice named Adam. One cool thing: Clipchamp allows you to generate speech from up to 7,500 characters in a single go. If your script is longer, just split it and repeat the process. Once you've chosen your voice and pasted your text, click on the Save button at the bottom of the dialog box. The app will then generate your speech and place it into a video with a plain black background. If you only need the audio, no worries. Just export the video as it is. After exporting, go back to your browser and search for Extract Audio from Video. You'll find several free tools. I personally use audio-extractor.net. It's fast, free, and doesn't require you to sign up. Upload your exported video, extract the audio, and download it. That's it. Now you've got high-quality AI-generated speech ready to use in your own video editing software like CapCut, Premiere Pro, or any app you prefer. So whether you're working on a YouTube video, a presentation, or just need a quick voiceover, Clipchamp makes it simple. If you want to learn any other tool, comment its name, and I will try it for you.